My esteemed brothers, Justice Sanjay Yadav, Executive Chairman, Madhya Pradesh State Legal Services Authority, and Judge in Charge, Judicial Education, Justice Satish Chandra Sharma, Administrative Judge, Bench Indore, and Justice Sujoy Paul, Judge High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Jabalpur, my brother and sister judges of High Court of Madhya Pradesh, District Judge Barwani, officers of Registry, officers of Public Works Department and PIU, friends from print and electronic media, ladies and gentlemen connected through electronic video linkage, a very good morning to all of you. In the past 4 months, we have created a history by organizing e-Inauguration ceremony of the various residential, academic and court complexes, as well as ADR and mediation centers in the state of Madhya Pradesh. This is another step in that path, and my last of which I am a part. Now we have gathered again through this virtual media to create another history by not only organizing e-Inauguration ceremony of buildings, but distribution of ISO certificates to the civil court complexes. This virtual program includes e-Inauguration of mediation centers of Anjad, Rajpur and Khetia, outlying stations of district Barwani, construction whereof has been completed recently after the outbreak of pandemic COVID-19. There will also be online ISO certificates distribution ceremony for Anjad, Rajpur and Sendhwa, outlying stations of district Barwani. We will also hold construction work initiation ceremony for the new building of Madhya Pradesh State Judicial Academy and Dharam Shastra National Law University at Jabalpur. Ladies and gentlemen, again I find myself privileged to be part of this virtual ceremony. I am quite hopeful that these buildings would cater the need of all the stakeholders of justice delivery system and judges of district judiciary in times to come. It is a matter of immense pride for us that 3 taluka level court complexes in district Barwani have been conferred with ISO certification for offering quality services. Now Barwani district is probably the first district in India which is having all its court building, including outstation court buildings, being ISO certified. I congratulate all the officers and staff of District Barwani who have made untiring efforts to achieve this landmark. I am quite hopeful that new buildings of Madhya Pradesh State Judicial Academy and Dharam Shastra National Law University at Jabalpur would bring glory to the city, which happens to be judicial capital of Madhya Pradesh. These two were much awaited projects, and I hope my successors will look after them in coming years with equal warmth and zeal. Construction work is a tedious task, which takes vision, planning, implementation, supervision, and patience. I take this opportunity to congratulate all the persons who are directly or indirectly associated with these projects. All who have been associated with these projects deserve special applaud for their efforts. I congratulate you all. At this end, this may be penultimate event as Chief Justice of Madhya Pradesh High Court. My dear members of subordinate judiciary and court staff are also connected virtually. Therefore, I want to take this opportunity to extend my heartfelt gratitude towards the district judges, additional district judges, civil judges senior division and junior division for providing me care and support to perform well as Chief Justice. I wish you would keep yourself upright in the path of justice. Staff members of district judiciary are really hard workers and backbone of justice delivery system. I want to thank all the staff members of class 3 and class 4 for their fine performance and hope they'll keep it up to the mark in times to come. Ladies and gentlemen, I wish you all good luck. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. I'll just request the District and Session Judge Sri Rajesh Gupta at Civil Court Rajpur, because he is connected at Civil Court Rajpur, that will be, so far as the release of ISO certificate is concerned, I'll release it from here and physically he'll deliver it there. This is for certificate of registration for Civil Court Anjad. The next is certificate of registration for Civil Court Sendwa. And the third is the certificate of registration as ISO for Civil Court Rajpur. So, all the three and the other three will just formally have e-inauguration in respect of the other three complexes. We'll start with e-inauguration of this meditation center at Rajpur. Mr. Gupta, congratulations to you and all members. Outside the village also. Next level. This is a medicine center, Ketia. Ketia. Okay. Okay. Congratulations to everybody there. Now we'll have a medicine center of Anjad.
अंजर आइए सामने अंजर बहुत कोई हाँ निकल गया अंजर बोलिए अंजर अंदर सामने आइए नहीं ये तो खेती है अंदर सामने आइए अंदर ये
Now this is medicine center at Anjad. Okay. All the best. Congratulations to all of you. Have a nice day. With this, we come to the first phase of e-inauguration as well as of distribution of ISO certificates. So far as physical starting of complex at Madhya Pradesh State Judicial Academy and Shastra National University, that will be at Jabalpur. We'll be undertaking that now. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.